श्री राग महला तीजा काया साधे ऊर्ध तप करे विचों हो मैं न जाए अध्यात्म कर्म जे करे नाम न कब ही पाए गुर कै शब्द जीवत मरै हर नाम वसै मन आए. A person may undergo various austerities and torment his body with extremes of self-discipline, practicing intensive meditation, hanging upside down, but they cannot get rid of their ego from within. One may perform many religious rituals and still never obtain the name of Vaheguru. It's through the word of Guru Shabad that one can attain the state of liberation from life itself by remaining dead while yet alive, and the name of Vaheguru comes to dwell within the mind and one becomes enlightened. सुन मन मेरे पाज सत गुर सरना गुर प्रसादी छुट्टियै बिख भव जल शब्द गुर तरना रहाओ. Listen, O my mind, hurry up for the protection of Guru's sanctuary. By Guru's grace, you can be saved. Through the word of Guru's Shabad only you can cross over the terrifying world ocean full of poison. Pause. त्रैगुण सपा तात है दूजा पाओ विकार पंडित पड़े बंधन मोह बाधा ने बूझे बिख्या प्यार सतगुर मिलिए त्रिकुटी छुटे चौथे पद मुकत द्वार. Everything that is under the influence of the three qualities eventually perishes away, and the love of duality is always corrupting. The pundits, the religious scholars, can read many scriptures, but they get engulfed and entrapped in the bondage of emotional attachment for love with evil. They do not understand the true Vaheguru, but meeting with the Satguru, the true Guru, the bondage of these three qualities of Maya is cut away and one goes into the fourth state, Chautha Pad, and get the door of liberation. गुर ते मार्ग पाइए चूके मुह गुबार शब्द मरै ता उतरै पाए मोख द्वार गुर प्रसादी मिल रहे सच नाम करतार. By following the path of Guru, one can get rid of all the emotional attachment to greed and worldly desires and also one's egoism. If one dies through the Shabad, immerse themselves into the Shabad, then salvation is obtained and one can find the door to liberation. By Guru's grace only, one can remain blended with the true name of the Creator. एहु मनुआ अत सबल है छड्डे ना किते उपाय दूजे पाए दुख लाइंदा बहुती दे सजाए नानक नाम लगे से उपरे हो में शब्द गवाए. The mind is very powerful and has the controlling force in life. It does not free one of vices without proper knowledge of Vaheguru through meditation of true name. This mind is responsible for all our miseries through dual-mindedness, resulting in sufferings at the hands of messenger of death. O Nanak, the people who have taken the support of true name have crossed this ocean of life successfully, and they rid themselves of their ego through Guru's guidance, and then finally merge with true Vaheguru.